Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Vlogmas 18th day.
Y'all, welcome to Vlogmas Day. She can't say it right, so welcome to Vlogmas Day, y'all. Vlogmas Day 18.
All right.
And I know we'd have missed so many days of Vlogmas, but I've been sick, y'all. So, but we every time I say we gonna make up for it, and I don't start feeling good. So we gonna try to hit it the last few days, y'all. Y'all just keep praying for us so we get these videos out. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay, I'm going to read my scripture. Thou hast been faithful over a few things, and I will make thee rulers over many things. Matthew 25 and 23. Thou hast been faithful over a few things, I will make thee ruler over many things. Matthew 25:23. I will pour out of my spirit upon all the flesh. Acts 2 and 17. I will pour out my spirit upon all flesh. Acts 2 and 17. Thank you for the reading of the scripture.
And y'all remember that Christmas time, the month of December, is the true reason for the season is Jesus. No other reason but Jesus being born. And y'all show love, give love, and let everybody know that you're blessed. Show your blessings to people. Sure.
All right. Okay, I'm getting ready to make a chocolate cake. Now I'm going to be pouring all of my ingredients, all of my flour and all of my ingredients in at once. Okay. All right. So I'm starting with my with my flour. I need to put some.
Yeah, this is a Hershey's chocolate cake, and this is how you're supposed to make it. She already shifted the flour.
Okay. All right, that was like 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, and this is 2 cups of sugar. This is all of my dry ingredients are going on at the same time. Okay, so now
How many cups of cocoa is it? How many cups of cocoa is that?
Oh, it was the cocoa was 3/4 cups of cocoa. Hershey cocoa. I guess use any kind of cocoa you'd like to use. It don't have to be Hershey.
And that's 3/4 cups, y'all, of cocoa.
Okay.
Hershey cocoa.
And then I had after I got the cocoa, I have 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, and then I have 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. So I have it all measured out here. All the dry ingredients are supposed to go in at one time.
And the direction will be in the description below, y'all.
Okay. Okay, now I should beat these.
Okay, y'all, she's mixing all the dry ingredients together. She has 2 eggs.
A half a cup of what is this? Half a cup of vegetable oil. And my cup of milk. All right, this is a cup of milk. That's a cup of milk.
Okay, y'all, she's putting 2 teaspoons of vanilla.
Okay. All right, now I'm going to be pouring this, all of my wet ingredients in there. Once I put this in, then I have a cup of hot water, boiling hot water. Start it, and I have a cup of boiling hot water that goes in with this. I forgot to put my paper on this top.
That's a cup of boiling hot water.
Stir it up from the bottom. It is supposed to be thin. It's not supposed to be thick.
Yeah, I don't understand why mixer's not all the way at the bottom of the bowl anymore. The mixer part that's supposed to mix the stuff. I just don't understand that.
Incidentally, this is a new mixer, so I'm okay. I think I've got it out from the bottom now. Okay. Should be ready to go in there.
And y'all, it's supposed to be kind of watery. It's not supposed to be thick. And also, try to beat it enough, but try not to overbeat it also, if that makes sense. She already coated her pans with this.
Trying to balance it off. It's kind These are 9-inch pans, is what it says.
And you supposed to use 2.
Okay. Okay, it will take it says 30 until about 35 minutes. It says 35 minutes. At 350. Now I'll tell you when I'm saying this, but sometimes you have different. Everybody has different ovens, so you can't. I mean, the direction may call 35 minutes, but you may have a different stove, and it may take a little bit longer, or it may take a little less. So always take your toothpick and stick it in there to make sure that it's nothing coming out on your toothpick or whatever you use. Sometimes you have the other ones that you can use also. But anyway, I'm gonna do a.
Okay, y'all, she's putting it in the oven 35 minutes on 350. We'll be back once it's done.
Hello, now this is the final presentation of the Hershey chocolate cake. Okay, so I'm going to cut just a little piece in so you can see it. Big enough. I started to put pecans on top of it, but I decided not to right now.
Y'all, this is the cake. This is the cake, y'all. Very moist looking on the inside. I know everybody always want to see how the cake look. Let me turn the light on so you can see it better. Very, very moist on the inside. Okay, y'all, this is how the cake look. Sorry, Granny cut it. She didn't cut it too good, but this is how it look. Very moist, y'all. Very, very moist. Oh my goodness, it's so moist, so good. I just tasted a little piece off the plate.
It's very good, but the cake is still kind of warm, so I couldn't wait till I get it cold. So it's kind of cut down like that. So otherwise, if I could have waited for another hour or two, but we're trying to get.
And the frosting is delicious, y'all. Please try this if you love chocolate cake.
Okay. Okay, so thank you all so much. Y'all, I'm not a real chocolate cake person, but I know it's delicious. It's just already so moist looking. Very, very good.
Very good, y'all. It's so good.
It just about melts in your mouth. I don't really like chocolate cake, but it's very good. Very, very good. I think if anybody like chocolate cake, this is very good. So I thank you all, and try it if you like chocolate cake. And thank you all so much for watching this video.
And again, this is Vlogmas Day 18, y'all. Thank you. Try to get this video up as soon as I can today, so it'll be up for the 18th and not the 19th like I've been doing. So y'all just keep me in your prayers.
Thank you so much. Be blessed, Miss Lena's Kitchen. For this is the Hershey chocolate cake. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye now.